Thinking of skipping self-arrest practice? I wouldn't recommend it. There were a series of decisions that led to me tumbling down Mount Shasta. Now let's see how that went down.
Hey everybody, this is Brandon, Cold Iron Outdoors as always. Today we are at the base of Mount Shasta. As you can see, the trailhead is super busy here at Bunny Flats. We've got 7,000 feet of elevation gain in front of us. And we are going to go up to Horse Camp and then fill up our waters. And from there, we're going to go all the way up to Helen Lake. Then we're going to camp at Helen Lake for a night. And then after that, we're going to go up through Red Banks, the Heart, Misery Hill, all that to the summit. About 4 or 5 hours. Hopefully we'll be there. Avalanche Gulch. Climb around is that way. Nutrition. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Alright, some of you may have noticed I've got my pants rolled up, regulating body temperature. As we inch closer to Helen Lake, I'd like to remind you all, pursue something fun outside of work.
We finally made it to Helen Lake to set up camp.
So if you're curious what we're doing, we're making a nice, level, compact campsite, better insulator. And this is how we set up the tent. We put our sleeping pad down first, and then we put our warm stuff and our stuff we don't want to get wet in the pillowcases.
We're making memories, baby.
Yes, we're making memories. Remember that time we melted snow for 3 hours so that we didn't die of dehydration?
After melting all that snow, it was finally time to go to bed because we had an early rise at 3 a.m. to get started on the trail.
It's been a very steep climb from base camp at Helen Lake. Hoping that ridge has a flat spot so we can take a break and not need it. Fucking beautiful.
Mount Shasta really is testing my ninja-like reflexes even after 6,000 feet of elevation gain.
Alright, we are standing here almost at the top of Mount Shasta. This is her first 14er, guys! Whoop whoop! Let's do it. Yeah, she's excited. I'm excited. It's almost as exciting as the birthday bison. If you haven't seen that video yet, you should go check it out. Birthday bison is our Antelope Island video right here.
Oh yeah, we finally made it to the top. Now comes the hard part, the way down. The snow's going to be a lot softer and a lot more dangerous.
Alright, so we made it.
that group ahead of us is glissading down. Should we do the same? It's a little bit hard and might be a little dangerous. Alright, sounds like we're doing it. Great.
Do you want to go further over? Are you going to take off your grip boots?
Practicing your self-arrest prior to glissading is always a good idea. As you can see here, it definitely helped slow me down so I didn't get out of control on the way down.
I can't believe we glissaded down that whole thing.
And this is why they call it Avalanche Gulch. As you can see, the snow did some major damage to those trees. But we're finally back to the trailhead. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.